In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up double opt-in in Mailerlite. Double opt-in helps keep your email list clean, compliant, and engaged by asking new subscribers to confirm their email address before they're added. It reduces spam signups, protects deliverability, and ensures you're messaging people who genuinely want to hear from you. Start by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. Click the official Mailerlite website in the results to head to the home page. Once you're there, select Login and sign in to your account so you can access your dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Forms section. This is where all your sign-up forms live, whether they're embedded on your site, pop-ups, or standalone landing page forms. Open the Forms tab to see the full list. Next, choose the specific form you want to adjust. You can do this by clicking the form's name or selecting the Overview option for that form. The Overview page is where you'll find key settings and performance details for that particular form. On the form's Overview page, locate the Double Opt-in toggle. Switch it to On. Turning this on means anyone who submits this form will receive a confirmation email. They won't be added to your active list until they click the confirmation link in that message. This extra step significantly improves list quality and helps you comply with email regulations and platform policies. Once double opt-in is enabled, a double opt-in tab will appear for that form. Open it to review and customize the confirmation email and the confirmation thank you page. For the confirmation email, set a clear and recognizable subject line. Something direct like, "Please confirm your subscription," works well. Make sure the sender name and email match your brand so subscribers trust the message when it lands in their inbox. Keep the body of the email simple, remind them why they signed up, and make the confirmation button easy to spot. Then, configure the confirmation thank you page. This is the page people see after they confirm. Use it to reassure them that their subscription is active. Set expectations about what they'll receive and how often, and, if applicable, let them know where to find any promised resources. Consistent branding here helps reduce confusion and keeps the experience seamless. That's it. You searched for Mailerlite, logged in, went to the Forms tab, opened your specific form, turned on double opt-in, and customized the confirmation email and thank you page. With these settings in place, your list will be cleaner, your deliverability stronger, and your subscribers more engaged.